afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's Clarkson Commercials here in Glasgow, Scotland once again. Thank you for visiting the website. We hope you find it of interest. And yes, it's another van. It's a 2008 58. It's a late 2008, and this is an ex-British gas board van. We are big resellers of British gas vans, and they certainly do know how to run a tight fleet, a well-maintained, a well-looked-after fleet of vehicles. And these are essentially one-driver vans out on the open road, doing domestic central heating repairs in houses around the country. And no doubt you've seen these on the open road. It's a late 2008, as I say, 71,000 miles, lots of extras. It's got a full service history as well. Now, that is a sight in there that I'm sure would delight many a tradesman, but overall I would say if this setup is no use to you in the back, all this, or we can do it, we can remove it for you and put that back to a straight through standard normal spec van. But I would think for the majority of electricians, engineers, plumbers, joiners, that would certainly be very handy. You've got the plastic 3-tier flip front storage containers there, a couple of storage bins on the right, spare wheel lashed on down there, and we've got some open storage, as you can quite clearly see there, with some nice dividers there to separate things, and you've got a load through facility at the top there. Storage cabinet here with a flip down door, and again we've got some more storage just down at the bottom here. That racking is horrendously expensive. You have no idea how expensive that racking is. That is why it's only big corporations like British Gas, British Telecom, etc. that go to the expensive fitting that equipment. Got the heavy duty rear bumper step on the back there. Up top here we've got some interesting stuff. This here on the right, essentially, if you rewind a bit, we've got the 3-bar roof rack. This thing here is a ladder hoist. Health and safety now dictates that a man can no longer lift a ladder on the roof of a van. That ladder hoist is great if you've got a bad back, but that's about it. That can be removed. This here is a pipe, or a copper pipe, or a holder. Give me a second, I'll pause the camera and I'll show you what I mean. Right, so I've just undone the retaining clip. Now if I pull this down, this comes out and goes like so. So what you've got is, it now looks like that, and it's got a flip up drawer, a flip up lid on it rather, and oh, don't tell me there's a lock on it, is there? Hold a second. Right, so there we go. There's the lid I'm talking about. There was no lock on it, it was just held with a piece of wire. So there you go. A massive, huge monstrosity, but if you're carrying conduit or copper piping, I'm sure it'll be very, very handy. It's been used in its past life, as you can see. Now, let's try and do this with one hand. If I close this lid here and lift this up here with one hand, that should, in theory, slot back in. Yes, it's done. Right, so there you go. That's, now you know what it's all about. High security door locks on the back. What I would say is, remember, all that can be removed if you don't want it. We can do it for you. High security door lock in the back, high security door lock on the side. You've seen in here already, but I'll just show you it from another angle. Right, single passenger seat. There's a cause for debate. Do not fret, do not throw your hands up in horror and say, oh, I don't want a single seat. We have got a spare double seat for this. We can convert it to a double seat, and we can sort of negotiate that between us, but we do have a double seat. It goes in the same mounting points in the floor, whereas a single or a double, the mounting points on the floor are the same. We've got the double seat in the workshop that can be fitted, so talk to us and we can sort that for you. Air conditioning, electric windows as well. Factory gasboard blue in colour, painted at the Ford factory when new on the production line for British Gas in their chosen colour. Right, there we go, just to finish off now. It's a 2008 on the 58 plate, Transit 300, short wheelbase, low roof, 2.2, turbo diesel, front wheel drive. Timing chain, not a belt, which is good news. Ex-British Gas, been with them from new, a one driver engineer vehicle with a full service history. All the racking in the back, all the apparatus up top, air conditioning, heavy duty rear bumper, electric windows, and in my pocket here, yes, very importantly, spare keys. We've got the main blue key there, we've got the spare key there, and we've got 3 keys for the high security door locks. Now they're worth their weight in gold, because if they go missing you cannot replace them. We've been down this road with gas board vans before, you cannot get them recut. So what you would do is keep 2 in the house and keep 1 on the van ring. So there we go, as per company policy, I'll just say the usual line that I do in all the vans just before we finish. I will say that everything that we sell is second hand. Everything that we sell has had a first life before it comes to us, and it may have marks and imperfections commensurate with age, mileage and use. My name is Barry, thank you for watching. That's another outstanding van from Clarkson Commercials. Yep, 7 days we're open, weekends till noon, and we're always happy to see you in. We do not do the heavy sell, and yep, thanks for watching. I hope you found it of interest.